what yo, dámelo, si eso no está fresh. You gotta go get that shit, talk about what yo, dámelo, si eso no está fresh. You gotta go get that shit, talk about it, and everybody don't harm, anybody suena caldero, mami, todo eso, se dueño del pan.
Pull up the song, BANGER, hey.
Another one.
Hey. Hey.
Yo, what's goody? It's your boy Reps.
It's your boy Code 333.
Back again with the reaction still. What we got here, fam?
This one, you get me, is one of our Argentinian brothers, yeah? You've not been telling us to react to this guy for time, and now we're here. Apparently, he's the freestyle king. He's the freestyle guy, yeah? So, we're here now. Understand? About to find out.
Yeah, without give my water. Without further ado, let's go. Trueno. Trueno or Trueno? Yeah. Let us know how you pronounce his name, please.
Yeah. Baby, what you wanna say? Estamos activos en la music all day. Don't play, mami, don't play. Change my name porque siempre ando vacilando por el barrio, me ve caminando.
Hold on, that beat is fire, but I would like to know, is there
kid
English subtitles?
Yeah, auto train.
You know we like to give you a lot of authentic reactions and that. So, anyway.
Yeah.
Hola. Let's go.
Baby, what you wanna say? Estamos activos en la music all day. Don't play, mami, don't play. Change my name porque siempre ando vacilando por el barrio, me ve caminando todos los días del mes. Estoy si hablamos después, ahora solo mueve los pies con esto. Dámelo, yo, dámelo, si eso no está fresh. You gotta go get that shit, talk about it, and everybody don't harm, anybody suena caldero, mami, todo eso, se dueño del pan.
Okay, we got another one.
Hey.
I'm not gonna lie, yeah. When we started doing this reaction thing, we started reacting to Argentinian music and thing. We found
it's a wave over there.
Pocket, yeah. You lot are
cold
over
man. There. You liking it, man?
Cold, bro. You hear the
It's the way it keeps, the song keeps saying fresh.
Yeah.
Man gave it the little on the looks. I gave it the little hey.
And it's like, I feel like it's giving me an old school, like an old school UK music video, but you know, back in the day, like Channel U.
Walking through the streets,
yeah.
Like
that
same
Channel U, Channel AKA kind of thing, innit?
Change my name porque siempre ando vacilando por el barrio, me ve caminando todos los días del mes. Estoy si hablamos después, ahora solo mueve los pies con esto. Dámelo, yo, dámelo, si eso no está fresh. You gotta go get that shit, talk about it, and everybody don't harm, anybody suena caldero, mami, todo eso. Soy el dueño del pan, aunque no me vean. Soy el dueño del plan, aunque no me crean. Let's go. Algunos deben favores, los encontramos en el party. I know, scare everybody if we go again. Let's go. COMUNA, po, la gang. Let you know what I'm saying. Hay pavo pa' tu madre también. En la calle ando dangerous. Ese güey.
Hey, listen. Guys. I want to be able to speak the language like this guy, bro. The way he's going in and out of English, but rapping at the same time.
We've always said we've always said as well, the way they go, the way they rap, and then they effortlessly just go into the vocal, like the vocal notes as well. It's crazy, fam.
It's cold.
Let's go. COMUNA, po, la gang. Daddy, you know what I'm saying. Hay pavo pa' tu madre también. En la calle ando dangerous. Ese guacho dice que es up. Si voy a su blog con dos es dangerous. Voy pa' tu grupo de pop. La net pa' crear hip hop es
dangerous.
Ganga se queda en el top. Si no saco las letras del blog es dangerous. Desde Joaquín soy un top. Baby, I'm done. Mami, siempre estoy fresh. Aunque me odié, me escuchaste 3 veces. Yo a las 3 se te mueven los pies. Yes, hoy ya te estoy blessed. Yes, hoy Mateo estoy 10. It's blue, sé cómo me ves. No hablo de plata, ni de money, ni de cash. Yo te estaba en Manhattan y después fuimos pa'l West. A ver, quejate porque rapeo en inglés. Mami siempre te
I didn't even clock he's in the UK, you know. Because of the
He
the
went
tone of the
Manhattan.
video, yeah.
Then he went 4 places, isn't it? Then he came to England.
Yeah, that's London Bridge, isn't it?
Because he said I'm gonna do it in English. Hey, listen, I wanna
Okay.
look Manhattan come west. It's like he's in there,
And
and
then-
it switches, and then he comes to that. Yo, you gotta tell us when you lot out their hair so we can come and meet them lot, man.
Put that a line.
So we can pull up and meet these guys.
Sé cómo me ves. No hablo de plata, ni de money, ni de cash. Yo te estaba en Manhattan y después fuimos pa'l West. A ver, quejate porque rapeo en inglés. Mami siempre está en casa, guacha bien, los panas vienen, estamos nice. Que pone mi tema pa' que suene.
Hey, London Bridge, you know.
Con la light, ya mi verdad buena, la duque de soja light. Dice que son duros, ahora la pagamos el wifi. Bueno, bye bye, son Trueno, bye bye. No compares tu carrera con mi highlight. Estamos haciendo la cones de Argentina con Brasil y Paraguay. Mami chula, estamos guay. Todos los guachos estamos high, metiendo rapa donde no hay. Let's go. Siendo Willy con la bike. Año nuevo, digo nuevo, nueva rain. Todavía vi que da cosas que hacer por ahí. Como comprar la peligro, una casa en Uruguay. Sacarle la pipa a los guachos y ponerle la de night. Deje el free, pero sigo con style porque siempre estoy fresh.
The man just dashed the Air Force in the ocean, man. Yo, dog, you know how much them thing cost now, fam?
Nothing to them, man. There. I just saw it on the world tour. I can clearly see it's on the world tour.
For real.
Yeah.
Todavía me queda cosas que hacer por ahí. Como comprar la peligro, una casa en Uruguay. Sacarle la pipa a los guachos y ponerle la de night. Deje el free, pero sigo con style porque siempre estoy
That's
fresh.
the forward, isn't it?
Forward, I thought he dashed the Air Force in there.
No way.
See, bro, bad man, no, fam. Air Forces are too. Yo, if you know Air Forces, what they used to be priced back in the day compared to now, it's a mad thing.
Vacilando por el baño me ve, caminando todos los días del mes. Estoy sí, si hablamos después. Ahora solo mueve los pies con esto. Estoy fresh. Dámelo, si eso no está fresh. You gotta go, take that shit. Todos bailan en el paredón. En el party suena calderón. Mami, estoy fresh.
Cold.
El último baile de Lux.
Hey, the tour, you know. Yeah.
Big up everyone involved. Whoever put any recommendations, big up you, because I think I just found a new artist I'm gonna get tuned into and tap in.
New fans.
Yeah.
You're in, Trueno.
Yeah, that was fire, fam. That was freaking fire, bro. Send us some more. Apologies if I say his name wrong. Send us some more Trueno song recommendations. Any albums, if you got any, just, yeah, let us know. Cause yeah, I want to be tapped in, fam. I ain't really got nothing else to say, man. He's just cold, bro.
So we gotta keep it fresh. Yeah, man.
Fresh. Yeah, man. It's your boy Reps.
333.
Like, comment,
Smash.
subscribe.
Thank you.